This is the PyObject detection algorithm to check the frames per second of the camera performance of the Raspberry Pi. This camera mounted there in the port. .97 frames per second. Now I'm going to try the HSV filter so that we can calibrate the color profile. And so it wants me to reload this. For some reason it does something with the memory is my guess. So let me restart this. Try to do this one-handed while I'm videoing. SSH. I got the X11 feed. Okay, now we're in. I'm working in a virtual environment, so I'm going to work on the OpenCV. Now here's the threshold screen here. There's my image that I'm trying to match it to. Now I've already pre-done this, so I know the presettings. I'll set this one to 25. As you can see over here, it starts to pick it up, give or take. We'll go this to 75. Again, this was already pre-trained earlier, so I know the settings. And this one being 85, and you can see it starts to bring up the actual test image there. Love dealing with the accuracy of the RPI, processing speed of the RPI. You can see there's the image. That's what the upper and lower thresholds being adjusted. Okay. Control Z. And this will be able to demonstrate the actual object detection. And again, it's got to be rebooted. It soaks down the memory when we do that. Okay, back into the virtual environment. And this should give us okay, just picked up the object. Now take another sticky note. See, it tracks it just fine. A little bit of latency.